Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. This video was done in Georgetown, Cayman while I was on vacation. I went to this bar, I think it's called the Legend Bar and Grill. Right after landing to get something to eat, my friend took me there and he ordered this dish, this appetizer. It's called edamame. Edamame. This is beans. It look like these beans were boiled and then spicy sauce were added. It is very delicious. Very, very delicious. I would recommend it. A matter of fact, I am recommending it. Along with the appetizer, he ordered sushi for himself, and I ordered jerk chicken meal. But this jerk chicken meal, guys, it is large. The rice is not so plenty, but the chicken is a lot. You get a lot of chicken. The dish is so big. I was so astonished. And you will receive a lot of vegetables, broccoli, carrots, cucumber, you name it. And you also receive some fried plantains. Some of the most delicious fried plantains. How they cut these fried plantains, it is just adorable. Sweet, delicious. So my friend ordered a beer. I ordered fruit punch. I got some water also. I'll definitely recommend this restaurant. I'll give it a 10 out of 10. The Legend Bar and Grill in Georgetown, Grand Cayman.